yes or no question.
Huh?
I said I can ask you yes or no question.
Charlie Blue commentary. Take one.
Huh?
Yeah, all right. You're on there.
Yes.
Tell us about this morning.
Well,
Well, let's tell us about yesterday afternoon. Today is Christmas Eve. We down at Camp Creek. He had a good exciting afternoon yesterday. Tell us about that. That'll bring us up to date.
man,
Huh? Go ahead.
I was shooting a Martin recurve, broke in half.
Where'd you get it?
I got it from you. And well,
What do you mean broke in half?
it was probably cheaply made.
What? No, those bows are good bows, mate. Guaranteed for life.
Well, not in my life.
Well, you done something wrong, but
I don't think so.
you broke the bow.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the limb replaced.
So I had to shoot a new bow.
What you shooting now?
That old bear bow.
Old bear.
Compound.
What's the name of it?
It's a brown bear or something.
Yep.
But
What do you do with it? Oh, there it is over there. You ain't doing too good of an interview.
I know. Camera shot.
What? That deer you shot yesterday?
I washed it off the waterfall.
No blood on it. Didn't cut no hair. It was exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah. The thing is, I've been shooting that recurve for about a year, and haven't shot a compound in a long time. And I shot one for about 15 minutes yesterday before I came. I was pretty, I was all right with it, but I shot. How far do you think that salt block was?
Oh, it's 40. No, it's 50. No, it's 45 yards.
Yeah, and
That's quite far for a bow.
well, that's exactly where that deer was, and I undershot like crazy.
So you just sit there looking around and you saw the doe come up.
Yeah, I was looking over to my right, and I looked back, and it's looking right at me. I said, shit.
And what'd you do, freeze?
Yeah, I paused for a second, and it didn't stare at me for long. It put its head down, and I pulled back, and it walked around out of sight.
When did the other one show up?
It was right behind it, but it was, I seen it was smaller. I was focused on the bigger doe. And